Are you aware that when you sleep, your brain actually shrinks 10%? And that allows spinal fluid to come up and actually clean your brain. Okay, clean that plaque off and try to promote brain health. Now, when you're stressed and you're in your day in the middle of the fray, right? Your brain actually swells. And if you're in a constant state of stress and dealing with difficult emotions and just really agitated, you'll you won't your brain will be swelled a lot of the time, and that's not healthy for your brain at all. And you could very easily pay a price later on in life called dementia. Okay, so that's something that you might want to consider maybe getting a little more sleep. But I am holding a workshop, and it's the Golden Chi Ball workshop, and it's covering medical Qigong movements that actually work the spine, promoting, pushing that fluid up. There's actually pumps within your spine, and you're trying to promote that, move that fluid up to your brain to do a little brainwashing, okay? But in a good way. Now, the workshop will be held on March 21st. Okay, that's a Sunday, so putting it at a different time just to see if, make it a little bit easier for people to attend, not put it during the work week. It will be at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and will end at 11 a.m. So if you want to promote organ health, spinal health, brain health, and increase your energy, then you need to attend this workshop. Now, you can register at growthisadecision.com. And if you have any questions, just contact us through the website. Be happy to help you out there. And again, growthisadecision.com. Be March 21st, 10 a.m. Again, that's a Sunday. And I'm looking forward to seeing you all there.